everybody. Now this fifth session, our topic is you should believe yourself and that belief should lead you to lead a confident life. See, ultimately what happens to all of us? Most of all we do not believe ourselves that we can do many things, and that is how we pass it on all these things to our successive generation. But I have a different thinking on this issue. This issue is, I start with a quote. If you are looking for a big opportunity in life, seek out a big problem. Unless you have a big problem in front of you, you will never be able to solve it. Because if you grapple around all your small problems and always find depression as your friend and not confidence, then you get into various complications. So I will take up a small story to begin with. This is a story which everybody knows it, but still I think this story needs a repetition. If somebody don't know, they can hear it and understand it. On 14th of January 1929, a person born by name Dashrath Majhi. This Dashrath Majhi later went on to become an ordinary laborer, and his job was baking some stones and earning his livelihood. He was doing this job, and with that whatever little he earns, and he was taking care of his wife. One day it so happened that his wife, who used to bring her lunch in the afternoon, bringing the lunch, those poor people, they use only the mud pots. They don't have even steel or silver or aluminium pots. So she was carrying the food in the mud pot. And while coming near the area where that person is working, there are a lot of stones spread. And she slips, and all the stones, in such a situation that stones are, the moment she fell, the pot got broken and the food spilled over. And the stones which we use for making road or for construction, they are very big size, they are small size, different size. She was injured also. She was very badly hurt. But somehow she managed to get up and reach her husband, Dashrath Majhi. With a sad face she told her, "Today you have no food, neither I have, because I fell there and this is the result, that we have no food today." Dashrath Majhi for a while thought, and then immediately said, "Don't worry about it. हम जिंदगी कैसे भी गुजार लेंगे. आज खाना नहीं है तो क्या हुआ?" He took a sankalpa that day. What is that sankalpa he took? It was a very surprising thing. The village where they belong to is called Gelur in Bihar. From there, the nearest town, if they have to go, they have to travel almost 70 kilometers, and which takes anything like around 3 to 4 hours. But there is a small hillock in between, where this man used to go and work and break some stones and gather it to supply to the contractors who used to pick up from there. He thought, if this hill can be broken and a way is made out of it, then they can reach the nearest town in just a matter of 15 minutes. Where 3 hours, 70 kilometers, where 15 minutes and hardly 3 to 4 kilometers. He told his wife, "I will not work from nowadays as a casual laborer. I will work day and night and break this damn mountain which is in front of me and make a way." And look at his confidence level, his Atma Vishwas, his belief in himself. With 22 years of struggle, 22 years of struggle, this poor man, without a support from anyone, single-handedly, with his hammer and chisel, he broke the entire mountain and made a way. Can you believe this? He did it. And when he did it, naturally, appreciation comes for all the people who have confidence to succeed, and once they succeed, everybody comes around. So later a film was made on him, Dashrath Majhi, and the film was also very well received by the audience. Everybody made money out of Dashrath. Dasarath story. But what we should make out of it is, a resource is not a constraint. Problem is not existing anywhere except in your own mind. Because the food has fallen and there is no other way to go and get the food again, unless she struggles and goes a long way, he decided that that is the day. The biggest problem he faced is, let me break this mountain and make a way very easy for us. And he did it. When a man without any educational background, just an ordinary laborer, could do such a great thing, later Bihar government has awarded him and so many other things. Why you and me, I cannot do it? Why we always say, everybody, today I was listening from somebody that I have a lot of problem, मेरे घर में वो problem है, वहाँ एक problem, हर जगह में problem है यार. Who is not having problem? That is why I started. If you are looking for a big opportunity, seek out a big problem. And without seeking out a big problem, you can never succeed. I take some words from Abdul Kalam. He was telling once, dear friends, God has not promised skies will be always blue. He said, everywhere you go, the flowers will be put on the pathway. God has not promised. All our life, God has not promised that we will only have happiness. He never promised us sun without rain. God never promised us joy without sorrow. These are the words of Abdul Kalam. He says, further, peace without pain. But God has definitely promised us something. Strength for the day. A rest of the labor. A light of the way. See, if you do not look at things in a positive note, you will always end up in low confidence. We learn from an ant a very beautiful thing. The ant keeps on picking up food grains and going on traveling from one place to another where the ant wants to store the food. But to your surprise, we human beings will go on the way. If the ant is too many visible to us, we will just immediately clean it, throw it out, disturb it, do every damn thing. But to your surprise, the ant continues its work. For a while they appear to be gone, again they continue their work. So one ant was telling a human being, आप लोग तो दिमाग वाले हैं लेकिन बेकार है. हर चीज में रोते रहते हैं. You keep crying for every damn thing. पेट में दर्द है आप रोएंगे, जेब में थोड़ा पैसा कम है आप रोएंगे, खाना खाते रहेंगे और इमेजिनेशन में रोते रहेंगे कि भैया कल का क्या होगा. Your life is, look at us. We are not worried about anything. We keep doing our work sincerely. Because we believe that we can achieve, we can reach things. तो इसलिए किसी ने ठीक ही कहा है, असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो. Failure is a challenge, accept it. क्या कमी रह गई, देखो और सुधार करो. If there is a shortcoming in your efforts, learn from the shortcomings and correct it. जब तक सफल ना होते तुम नींद चैन को त्याग करो. As long as you don't succeed, don't sleep. Keep on putting your best efforts. संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो. Don't run away from the struggle of life. कुछ किए बिना किसी की जय जयकार नहीं होती. No one gets applauses without putting in any serious efforts. So it's a very, very important issue to understand that self-confidence starts from belief in yourself. Imagine the early man, the Adi Manav. If we didn't believe it, today we were sleeping with the animals. We were sharing the food with them. When today coronavirus came, we were also would have been a virus ourselves and all would have been eliminated from the world. But we have found a way. We locked down ourselves, we maintained social distance, and we are trying to come out of it, and now unlock 3 has also come. Human being from sleeping with the animals, staying with them, sharing the food with them, has created an air-conditioned world as a space supersonic aircraft which travels equal to the sound and the air. Human confidence is very important. Without confidence, you can never achieve anything in your life. You must understand that you should improve your thinking first. Swami Vivekananda used to say, most of the people suffer with poor thinking because they always think they are very weak, they are not strong. Instead, he tells everybody, think that you can do wonders. Think that you can achieve things. Believe yourself. नामुमकिन नहीं कुछ इस संसार में अगर तेरे पास आत्मविश्वास है. नामुमकिन नहीं इस संसार में कुछ भी अगर तेरे पास आत्मविश्वास है. पहाड़ तोड़कर अगर माझी रास्ता बना सकता है, पहाड़ तोड़कर अगर माझी रोड बना सकता है, तो तू पढ़ा लिखा है, मरुस्थल में भी पेड़ उगा सकता है. तू पढ़ा लिखा है, मरुस्थल डेजर्ट में you can grow a tree and it can have a fruit and flower. ईश्वर भी तुम्हारे साथ होगा अगर तुम हार ना मानने वाली फितरत रखोगे. ईश्वर भी तुम्हारे साथ होगा अगर तुम हार ना माने फितरत को अपने साथ रखोगे. पर्वत भी शीश झुकाएगा अगर तुम्हारे पास आत्मविश्वास होगा. If you have a belief in yourself, confident you are, then you can do wonders. I have got a very practical story which just now she was referring, Ushaji, when introducing me. It is about Dhaneshwar village. Accidentally I went to that village in 99, and that was due to some problem of a farmer. He came to me and then the problem was solved, so he told me, Guruji, why don't you come to my village and stay with us for a day. Then I said, वहाँ जाके what I will do, just staying there and eating food. You take me around, let me see what I can do for the village also. There I suddenly found, in Dhaneshwar village, around 1,000 acres of land belonging to local Karnataka people. Their ancestors were having more than 50-60,000 acres of land. But somehow they lost everything, they sold everything, and ultimately this entire 364 families left with 1,000 acres. And they were heading towards selling them and ultimately becoming a very poor family. When I was informed about the villages that, then I asked the concerned man, why don't we do something here? Then Mr. Sarveshwara, he is a farmer there, Nadella Sarveshwara. He said, we can do it. So I told him, let us discuss. And then we discussed the matter. We called all the big farmers who are around these 1,000 acres and the small farmers, and we conducted a meeting. From nearby Tungabhadra, we lifted 1.8 kilometer. We put pipeline and lifted water from there and brought to this land. That was our plan, and we succeeded in a matter of 2 years. And today, those 364 families, it is 99, 2000, 2002, whole project was completed. Many of them are having Scorpio vehicles. Many of them are using high-class, big screen television in their house. Their children, some of them are already working in abroad. What I am telling you is, you got to raise yourself. When the complication came, the result is waiting for you. The challenge is asking you to come out of yourself and perform better. Depression is a weakness. Positive thinking, self-confidence, Atmavishwas is a strength. It is not a weakness. If shortcoming is there, learn from it. Where is the question of worrying about it and feeling bad about it? I always tell all my friends that जिंदगी जीने के लिए है, मरने के लिए. मौत तो आएगी बिना बुलाए. Life is there to only live, to enjoy your life. Life is not meant for weeping. Life is not meant for planning about what will happen if I die. If I die, that good slogan is used by insurance people to sell their insurance policy to us. It is not required for us. Let us not think like that. Think very positively. Think with confidence. One more small stage of a poem I will give. जीतूंगा मैं means I will win. ये खुदा से वादा है मेरा, जीतूंगा मैं, ये खुदा से मेरा वादा है, जितना सोचूंगा उससे ज्यादा मैं कोशिश करूंगा, जितना सोचूंगा उससे ज्यादा मैं कोशिश करूंगा, ए तकदीर मैं तुझे हरा के छोड़ूंगा, क्योंकि मेरे में आत्मविश्वास है। हमें इस तरह सोचना चाहिए, हमें हमारी सोच को सुधारना चाहिए, हमको अब अपने आप से बाहर आना चाहिए। मेरा टाइम 25 मिनट का है, तो 20 मिनट तो हो चुका है ऑलमोस्ट, अभी और 2 मिनट 3 मिनट बाकी है। तो मैं आपको यही बता रहा हूं कि हमको चींटी से वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम एंट, वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम दैट फार्मर सर्वेश्वर राव who made the entire 1000 acres now, brought 2 pipelines, everything is successfully. I have given him guidance, I sat in the village, whatever necessary things he wanted, I could help him as a friend, because this is our social work. President of India has hosted a lunch for me for that, inviting to the President's Palace. It is not a lunch in a 5-star hotel. 5-star hotel में तो रोज खा सकते हैं, but President of India sending you an invitation, I said, oh, you should have a food with me. It's a great thing. And who was the other guest with me, both sitting together head with President, is Mahatma Gandhi's first granddaughter, and she is the IAS officer, and she became Rajya Sabha MP. She was a Constitution Review Commission member also. So, when you put your efforts, a result is bound to come. And you will succeed. You remember, your project will definitely succeed. Sometimes the chances is, you may not enjoy the fruits of it, your successor will enjoy. Fruits will definitely come. Thank you.